Okay, so we're at a just a fantastic home. Has a lot of potential. It's a little backyard, has a detached garage. It's a stone with some lovely details. It is in need of a significant update, and it does have a few issues, but the guts of the home are just generally great, and it's priced as such. So it's always nice to see when we have that. Scan around here. Okay, let's go to the kitchen, which needed the most significant updates. Okay, paneling for mica countertops. Bay window out to the garden. Needs work. We have a quarter bath here. Little exhaust fan. Radiator system. It's hot water, I believe. Okay. So yeah, we need a full kitchen to come into here. Let's go here. It's a really nice little side door. Plaster walls. Really nice moldings throughout. Little column detail with our bookcases. Really great. Wood. Front room. Wood flooring, original, needs to be restored. Fireplace, really great with the original, looks like the original little sconce lights here. Pretty fantastic. Nice little detailing. Looks like they've done a staining or a painting of the brick there. Terracotta tile in the front. And this would be most likely a coal fireplace, but certainly easily converted. We have a nice little detail here from the front door. Close it. Lovely, lovely, nice little French panels on the sides. Again, beautiful moldings are fantastic. Okay, we have our front add-ons. They covered the porch. May have been done originally. It's hard to say. It is, pretty well done. Idea of the wood here. Nice little details and designs on the front door. So screened in, these wood bookcases, I guess that's what they were used for. I also think this might have been used for maybe pigeons or some type of bird. I meant to say parrot, actually. Yeah, okay, beautiful, really amazing. Craftsmanship in this place, just love to see it. This door closed. And let's go upstairs. Banister obviously needs repair. This here is obviously be of concern to anyone. They've done a repair. It looks like we had a pretty big bathroom issue, pipe issue in the bathroom, hence that. We have a little slope to the stairs. Some of it where this, kind of around this bathroom area. So this is an area where we see settling occurring in the house. We'll start in the back and we'll go to the front. We have a linen closet. Shaped original doors. Again, we have beautiful parquet floor, or a wood flooring with parquet. Little detailing around the edges, around the perimeters. Cedar closet. Okay, now we look down the back. And we see there is a roof issue, and I'll confirm that in case I don't get to show you the garage. It looks like the garage did have a fire in it, so we have a little bit of an issue there. the fire impacted it. That's in the foreground to the right. I don't know if this shows, but the detail can get a little closer maybe. Yeah, so issue there, but otherwise a pretty good garage space. That was a window that they covered up. Nice glass panel doors. Little details in the banisters. Room generally in pretty good condition. Little poraging issues. Little plaster issues here and there. Again, cedar lined closet. Okay. Semi-updated bathroom after whatever issue that they had. And then a pretty grand front room. Great view. The neighborhood. Lots and lots and lots of light. 2 large bays. The bay in the front has a slight slope out on the front of the house, which is would be worth exploring structurally for sure. The paneling here has come away, but looks like it's just the glue that was tacking it down. It needs to come up. Maybe a slight bulge a little bit in the mortar here. This is in that front area where there is a water, there is a gutter. So we want to see what in this corner here up above, what's going on there. Okay. Now we have our 3rd floor. So it looks like they started to renovate this floor and then stopped. Pretty basic windows. It doesn't look like they've updated them. Got a new flooring in, created this space. Pretty level, could use some leveling. And they just kind of stopped. Created this little alcove there. Yeah, so, now that you don't have an attic, this is, you took over the attic space to get some height. You really got to see, are all the beams here? Did you get what you needed? Is it really holding up everything properly? So I want to know that the beams are, structurally sound and up to snuff and code. Yeah. So I'm going to put a full house attic fan there, kind of a Storm King kind of fan. Which would be great. It would take the heat right out of the space. All right. This could be a really great primary suite up here. Don't know if they intended for this going to be a bathroom, or it's hard to say what their intention is with putting in another bathroom, which it would do serve the house really well. Yeah, that's about it. We'll just quickly touch the basement just so you can see it. Here's our where they might have been having issues. Okay, this another nice little sconce, period sconce detail. Yeah, along with these drapery. No, this is another sconce. Go back down. you're not going to be able to see much, but you know, water coming in. It's very, very damp, which we're going to remedy. Probably a lot of grading around the outside, shoring up, you know, any cracks and crevices between, you know, patios and foundation. Just really sealing things off. They've done an upgrade to the wiring. Looks like a pretty properly installed water heater. It's new. Old workhorse of a furnace to heat up the water, the water that goes to the pipes of the radiators. But, you know, these houses are made to take on water. It has a drain here that looks active and like it is taking water away from the property. So, you know, you just want to remove the ability for it to get in, which is absolutely doable. Yeah, there's, I mean, a lot to like about this place. It's, I think they've priced it right for it to sell. And now I'm going to go back and work with my client, and we'll figure out what we think it's worth and what it would be worth after it's been renovated. So, because it definitely has some great potential. Okay, thank you so much. This is Lee O'Malley, and I am more than happy to talk with you about any of your real estate needs, buying or selling a home. I'd love to talk with you and see if I can be of service. Do reach out. All my contact information is in my bio. If you like these showings and they bring you a little joy or cringe or just in any way, feel free to like and subscribe. That certainly improves my engagement with others, and I do love that these get out there and that people do enjoy them, and hope you do too. Let me know, is this a property that, you know, for the right price, would you jump in on, and with the work that's got to be done? I'd love to hear what you got to say. Again, Lee O'Malley, Weichert Realtors in Doylestown, PA, and I work all over Philadelphia County, Bucks County, Montgomery, as well as New Jersey. So let me know if I can help you. Thanks so much.